mug cakes. Let's get going.
For that we need 4 tablespoons of flour, then 3 tablespoons of sugar, then we will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of baking soda. Then after that we will add 4 tablespoons of milk. And also we will add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Then mix that well. And in the last we will add 1 tablespoon of oil. And now we will mix that well using a fork. Put this in the microwave for 1 minute.
Look how fluffy the chocolate mug cake is. So delicious. Enjoy!